Ever pondered the art of staying safe and healthy while traveling? It's a skill worth mastering. And today, we're diving into the latest tips and tricks that have caught our attention. First up, the power of preparation. Know your destination's health advisories and pack accordingly. It's as much a part of your journey as your itinerary. Next, the importance of staying hydrated and eating well. The right fuel can keep you feeling fit and ready for adventure. Then, there's the wisdom of respecting local customs and laws. It's a simple but effective way to stay safe and enjoy your journey. Finally, always have a contingency plan. The unexpected can and will happen, but with a plan, you're always ready. So why is this important? Because every journey should be a joy, not a worry. Staying safe and healthy while traveling isn't just smart, it's essential. Remember, the world is waiting. So prepare, fuel, respect, plan, and let your journey be the adventure you dreamed of. That's the art of travel safety. Now go explore, knowing you're ready for anything. And when you come back, replay this short for a quick refresher. Safe travels.